Okay, what's the most craziest thing o crazy sa bagay na na-encounter mo sa buong buhay mo? I actually gave a comment before about a video, okay, on the certain woman. Okay, I'm not going to name who is she. Okay, this is not actually the video. Okay, she actually slept with 5,000 men every year. I gave a comment na, are you sure that this woman is like wife material, girlfriend material? Craziest thing of all is those who commented, actually really commented and condemned my comments, are Western women, because I actually said before that this is our culture. No Filipina women can actually do that. Sleep with 5,000 men every year, okay, and say that they are wife material. It's like if you do a calculator, it's like you're sleeping with 100 plus men every night or every day. These Western women, okay, I'm not going to name who they are because I actually don't know them, okay? They say that they are wife material and that there's something wrong, okay, with the Filipina women. Like say, what? Really? I mean, no wonder there are foreign passport bros, okay? Yung tawag nila is passport bros. So actually come here to the Philippines because they are trying to escape these kinds of women. If you are sleeping with 5,000 men every year and you still say that you are like a wife material or protect women's like that, I mean, come on, man! Are you sure that they're going to be satisfied with one partner? At the end of the day, okay, what a man wants is a home, a loving woman, okay, and that woman will give him love, family, and intimacy. No wonder men sa lugar nila are escaping them. The Western men who are watching this, I now feel you. I now feel kung anong nararamdaman. Women who sleep 5,000 men every year and still say that they are wife materials. Oh my goodness. Oh my gulay!